We're back. We're back. Right on time. Welcome everyone. So, you know, I usually start an hour earlier, but today I had some stuff to do. And actually, to be honest, I don't mind because nothing really happened. I had a long position off stream, but it was okay. Funded Trader, good morning. Welcome. What is happening? We're 10 minutes away from market open. So I hope everybody buckled the seat belts. Buckled up, actually. All right. What are we looking at? I wish the same to you too. Good luck, happy trading. I wish the same to everyone. Gabor de Han, Servus üdvözöllek. Welcome, welcome. Fellow Hungarian trader here. Let's look at what's happening. I had a trade earlier. It was a picture perfect trade. This was the one on the 5-minute. I entered in between two streams and this was a picture perfect trade. It was just like in the textbook. This was a textbook entry right there. JR, hello. Ralph, what's wrong with TOPSTEP support today? They're not responding. I don't know. That's a good question. I had no issues with them nowadays. Trader J, good morning. Anyone know how to get rid of the order pop-ups on the lower right side of Quant Tower? There is a setting. Let me show you. If you go to settings, so here's the settings, right? Go to settings and you go to confirmations and warnings and unclick everything which is unnecessary. Unclick. The only thing I left is the connection lost, and that's it. So unclick these confirmation warnings. It should be okay. All right. I was having the same issue with Quant Tower. Okay. So news is BULENOX also extended the sale. So just as Apex did, BULENOX goes after Apex. 90% is off on the option 1 accounts as well. So how surprising. Also, the giveaway is on, so check the pinned message, fill out the form. You can earn points by completing some simple tasks and, you know. You're still waiting on BULENOX. Oh, what the heck are Thursday? They are slow. They are very, very slow. Maybe you should open a ticket because they might be having, I mean, they have a smaller support and they were also very, I think they were having a lot of sales and new accounts passed in the past few days or weeks. So better to open a support. So far, no issues with them. I have the confirmation. Okay. Yeah, definitely open a support. I think yeah, I think they do this manually. So it must have been a human error on their end. If they receive a support ticket, they have to do it. I mean, they will do it, of course. All right, let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, so this was the account this morning. All right, what else? On the 1 hour, let's zoom it out. What can we look for? There was a small fair value gap here. Let me zoom it out and you guys will see until the market starts or opens. This was a fair value gap here on the 1 hour. Sorry, not this one. So 1 hour fair value gap. Price tapped into this gap. What if there is a sell model in play right now? We can be looking for a continuation to the downside, to this fair value gap down there. So that's one scenario. The other scenario is going higher to the daily fair value gap. Whatever happens from here, I'm going to be looking for displacements on both sides, hopefully. And we'll see. All right. Anyway. Not so far from the midnight open. Don't do anything crazy, people. Don't do anything which you would regret. This is the 5 minute. I'm gonna check the 1 minute as well. This is the 1 minute. Looks like we could be heading higher to 675. Actually, I like the 700 up there. And to be exact, well, don't know what to check on this. We have, yeah, it's 98. I'm gonna go with 98. 98 seems like to me it's a decent level. I don't know why. But anyway. Marcus Trader, good day. Welcome to the stream again. Good to see you. All right, let's look at the 5/15 minute again. Yep, the market is on. Actually, it switched on earlier a little bit. It's moving. Question is, how far? I think the 53 is still intact. So 20 more points to the swing high. It's pretty close. Well, let's see. Market is about to open. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the market is open for business. Let's see. Let's see the movement. This is the 1 minute chart just to have fun. There's still a good chance for this to go up to the 700s, I think. We have news at 10 a.m. so would not be surprised if market would just stall and go sideways until then. Moving down. Yeah, so sideways movement. Not much is happening. Everything was pretty much taken out during the pre-New York session and the early kill zone. Okay, seems like it wants to break lower. Who knows? Could be just a liquidity sweep. On the 15-minute, there was a small gap. Tapped into it right now. All right, nothing. Nothing serious is happening, so I just go back here. Everything is pretty calm, pretty decent. Jolt's job openings are coming in about 28 minutes, 27 minutes. I don't expect any special movement until then. Market will wait. Yeah, definitely. It will wait until news. So I don't think there is going to be any major movement until 10 a.m. It's just going to go sideways. So again, BULENOX has refreshed the expiration of the coupon codes. It's gonna expire on, let me check it. It's going to expire at the same day. What do you know, as Apex? Next Tuesday. So until next Tuesday, BULENOX is going to compete with Apex. Awesome. What a world we live in. The small moves are auction, yeah. So on the 5-minute, repricing this previous up move, we might be breaking the 600. Interesting. What if this one wants to go lower, I wonder? I mean, there is a place here. Look at this candle on the 5-minute at 5 a.m. and 5:05. I like this as a potential target, as a nice swing low position. I like this area. I'm gonna put a marker right there. It's not accurate, but look at this. Oh wow, 40 points. Interesting. 40 points just dropping. Still nothing. Actually, this candle, the market opened, the 930 candle, shifted structure, one place, two places. So if this current candle would leave this gap, that would be a potential short opportunity. Ta-da. Let's see. No, it's repricing. Inversion gap, I think. Look at this. Right here. Let's give a different color to this one. Oh, that's terrible. Anyway. Okay, repricing it or not. This is the kind of setup Methodical Man's, he likes this, I think. Not sure. Wow. What the heck is, what is this? Is this manipulation? I think it is. This is not normal. Or, I mean, don't like how it looks. Okay, so forget about the short opportunity. It's still bullish. Don't really care about the 1 minute right now. I want to see the bigger picture. Just random moves. Catch the stops. Yeah, nothing relevant. Yeah, I agree. 100% agree with you. This was not relevant. It did leave a nice spike here. A lightsaber so far. But I think, as you said, reprice some levels, maybe, you know, swept some stops in this last leg. Might be going to continue higher, which is great. 698 is still a level that I like. I don't know why. Let's see. After the news, we're gonna see real moves, yeah. The problem is it's gonna be so real, it's not going to let me to enter the trade. There's gonna be no setups for me. Real and surreal. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, going sideways. Very choppy indeed. Hey there, Jacqueline. Very choppy, nothing major. Everybody's waiting for the news. Oh man, take a look at gold. Haha, look at this. Gold is dropping. This is boring again. I hope that after the news something is gonna happen. I should sing. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. It still looks bullish to me, but you know, make everyone relax. I can't. I just, you know, it has to come from, you know, it has there has to be the feeling that comes with it, you know, to start singing. I can't do that this way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, guys, this is terribly boring. Let's check the 1 minute. Oh, wow. Look at the 1 minute. It's actually funny. Look at this. Oh my god. I think it's still bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish to me as well. A lot of traders jumped into shorts. Others jumped. A lot of positions accumulated in this area after the open. So a lot. And I think we have more shorts, retail shorts, most likely, than long positions. But it's still bullish. It is definitely bullish. It is bullish. Alright, until we wait, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, we have a giveaway going on. Check the pinned message, fill out the form, earn points by completing tasks, and 50k evaluation account. We're gonna have people signing up this week, and on Monday or Tuesday, we're gonna have the winner picked on live stream. If the winner is not on live stream, no problem. He or she will going to receive an email. So that's it. Yes. Yes. It's B or B. We're seeing plus minus 10 month. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, nothing is gonna happen until then. One thing is for sure, and it's very rare to say something like this in trading, but I know one thing for sure, and yeah, are always cool. Or BS also. But you know, one thing is for sure in trading. This thing right here, what we see, this Nasdaq is going to go up or down. That's 100%. And what I know is going to go to the right side. So the other side is going to go to the right. Definitely not to the left. And it should be up or down. And that thing I'm sure of. Should be going to the right side. It's not going to go to the left. Yeah. At least it shouldn't. Next time I will bring a beer or something, or maybe a palinka or a tequila or whatever. I don't know. This is the problem, by the way. Just saying. I mean, I don't want to rant or anything. Be careful being too bullish. The market is oversold. Yeah. If the news is bad, I'm expect to pump up and go down. It could divert to bearish. Yeah. Definitely, we're gonna wait. So this is the problem with all these news in the U.S. session, and this is the problem mainly with the index futures, because news are coming out. So we have market open usually, of course, 9:30, and we have news at 8:30 many times, and we have news at 10 a.m. and anywhere in between, which makes almost impossible to day trade it, because if you want to play it safe, then you're not going to risk anything if we have high impact news, right? But there's always high impact news, like almost every week during the New York AM session. And that means that the New York AM session is at least 50 or 60% of the time is garbage, because you just can't trade it. If you trade it, you're obviously gambling if you trade between those high impact news. So you have to wait until 10 a.m. to play it safe. And to be honest, partially I did think about it many times, that I start up my stream usually at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, earlier in the New York kill zone. And many times it's just useless to stream. I mean, I like to be here and talk with you guys, but obviously I'm not really going to take trades, because if we have high impact news at 8:30 or whatever until 10 a.m., I'm just not taking up positions. So that's 90 minutes, which is useless. That's what I meant to say in short words. 90 minutes, which is gambling if we have high impact news. So what I might do is I'm going to start streaming in the New York session after the market open, maybe like 9:45 or 9:50, and I might even stay until the PM session. So I'm going to add in the time, of course, but 70% of the time it's just not, it's not ideal to trade under those conditions. If you go to higher time frame, you will see where the candle might go. Let's check it. Yeah, so I do have a daily fair value gap up here. We have a bearish order block to the left, which is not so perfect, but we have another one. So in this area on the 1 hour chart, if you look to the left, we have bearish order blocks. You guys know that I like these order blocks, because these kind of order blocks like to be broken. So I would say that that's a very good target for a price. But if it goes down, we have the same options to the downside. So no. Yeah, I know QQQ. I don't have access. I don't have access. 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. We see a 4 hour gap too, by the way, where the daily is. Bearish order block on the 4 hour up there, which makes it also bullish. Repriced this area where there was liquidity void, rebalanced and repriced, and rebalanced, first of all. Pretty much took out every kind of liquidity that it wanted. So after this move, it swept the liquidity on Friday. I could see this popping higher on the 4 hour. But again, I have to wait for news. Red folder news usually go 100 points. Yeah. I have, and don't move. Well, that's what I'm saying. We have to wait. I'm just gonna sleep here a little bit. I'm super tired today. I don't know what's up with me. I have to go to the gym. Actually, I am going to go to the gym, by the way. I'm getting super lazy. Yeah, we only have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go to the gym because I have too many extra weight I have to lose. I have to do cardio, a lot of cardio, like a lot of cardio, and you know, some weightlifting because I am so weak, like I'm crazy weak. Ba-dum. Let's go. Okay, started to go down a little bit. Okay. Just eat healthier. That's true. Get your resistance band set and start working out while you're trading. That's actually a good thing. That's actually a good idea. Then go to the gym. Good way to stay distracted. That's actually that's a good thing. I was looking at this in so this is the one that you're talking about, I guess, because I was looking these kind of resistance bands at the mall. So I think I'm gonna shop one of these because you can utilize these in many ways. Many ways, I guess so. And even if I sit here, I can use it for multiple exercises, also in the morning. So I'm gonna use it. All right, took out some lows here. Let's see. I wonder, you know, if you look at it, every session has the move, as we can call it, the move. What's the move for the session? So for example, the London session's move was to go down. Just do push-up, 4 sets of 30, rest 30 seconds in between. Yeah, that's also a good idea. I was also watching YouTube some exercises that can be done in your home. And those are good for beginners, you know, just to get yourself in shape. And I might start with that, to do like a 30-minute to 50-minute exercise early in the morning when I wake up. You know, sit-ups, push-ups, stuff like that. Also, I know a guy who was actually downloading an application to his phone. I know him in person, and he lost weight. Anyway, we have the news. Because the application told him what to do. Free weights, dude. Yeah. That's what I want to. I want to work like every single morning with a single exercise. So look at this, spiked higher. This is the 1 minute, just watching what it does. What's the number? Okay, number is not public that much yet. Okay, number is less than expected. That's actually not the best news, right? The news brings a B. I think this is not so good news, right? I'm waiting. I'm definitely waiting. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, so not good news. Could this mean that NQ will drop down to London low? I like to see the London low being taken out. How about that? Swept some liquidity maybe from up here, yes. Could go higher, take out the Asia high at 76. Be careful. Yeah. I think there should be a lot of liquidity around the 76s. 77, what's the high? 76. Should be a lot of liquidity above that. Right there. What do you guys think? I'm a paparazzi right now. Okay. This is actually a bullish breaker for now. It seems like it. But I don't know. That being said, bad news are not, affecting the market as they should be in the past couple of months or even years. So we're just making all-time highs all over. Nasdaq and ES is just not stopping. Everything is going bullish all the time. Let's check gold. Oh wow, spiked higher. Okay. Do you think it's a pump and dump? If it is, then well, I would be curious to see where it goes. I'm gonna choose B. I'm gonna choose B. Higher time frame. Still look bullish. And I still need to wait for the next 5-minute candle to close to see what goes here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is not looking promising. It's not promising to the bulls. They have to close above the structure. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not bullish. It was very weak. It can actually turn bearish from here. it only wicked out. The structure shift is not that strong. It already repriced the gap. I think it could be turning to bearish. Pump and dump. Yeah, yeah. It's pay from bloody day. I don't see it. A day to keep money inside the house. So, yeah. Nice, you made 475. Congratulations. Congratulations. Nice move. I'm still going to wait a little bit. Okay. All right. Watch out. Retracement, yeah. I will wait until candles close below 584. Yeah, most likely I'm gonna wait to decide what it wants to do here. Nothing really happened so far. It will take out some people who try to go short before a real move. Could be. By the way, what's up with Nvidia? Anybody checked it? Nvidia made new high. Doesn't look that strong. Also has this bottom down here. Could pull down NQ. Okay. Okay. Let's go. No structure shift so far. Nothing major. Maybe it will break lower, but it's still missing the speed. What the heck? Okay. So this is not a real structure shift. I don't really consider it as one. I would be looking for it to take out this swing low at 562 with the displacement, but it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. Oh, guys, it could be a terrible session. It could be a terrible session, I'm afraid so. Hope not. But high, low, higher high, lower low, another lower low. Anyway, I'm looking at gold. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's going down. Gold is melting. Like almost literally melting. Should be taking out that 34, right? What a move. It should be going down lower, right? All the way to... Let me check this. I mean, this was pretty bearish on gold. I mean, the low was at 35. Wow. Gold is interesting. All right, let's see. NQ. NQ moving back into the middle of the range. Gold might want to go up again. Okay, let's wait and see. NQ in the middle. It's not a fun session. It's not as funny as yesterday. I'm gonna fall asleep, all right? Officially. I'm gonna take a nap here on my desk. So yeah. Good night. Okay. All right. What is that? What did I do here? You're late? You're not late. Of course you're not late. Oh no, I don't know. What the hell is going on? Okay, never mind. Okay. Oh, hey, nice, nice. 1,200 bucks, nice. You're liking this. Oh yeah, because you're surfing on the 1 minute, right? Good job, congrats. Even on the 1 minute, I don't see my entry, but this is barcode chart for me. Barcode chart trading. Five seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes. So, well, that's how you do it as a pro. But hey, also ICT said you can see these trends on every single time frame, even on the seconds time frame. So if you see a move that fits your entry, and if you're watching enough, then yes, you will know. You will know. At least we have some distance here. I mean, we're not just ranging in 5 points. We have like 30 points range in this recent consolidation, which is good to scalp a few points here and there. Looks a little bit bullish on the 1 minute. On the 5, I can't make up all this crap here. Let's just... It could go to Asia highs at 76. That would be really something. That would be interesting. It almost did, actually. Igen, erre. Ja. All right, it's going. I would say 76 would be a nice target. Any one of you guys want to ride it on a retracement? Maybe this would have been the place at 13. Now it's up at 44. After this candle, if it retraces back down to 35, could be a good entry to take out 64. On the 1 minute, that is. So be careful. Still looks bullish. No real retracement yet, but wow, look at this drop. It could be a structure shift as well on the 1 minute. How about that? Could be also a structure shift. If it is, then, well, it can go down. It was a pretty strong move. A very strong rejection at those levels at 42-ish. Many people try to go long, I guess. It can also try to take out this structure here at the 10. What's the low here? Low is 610.75. Could be. Don't know. Hard to read. Could go for internal liquidity in these areas. You're on gold. Yeah, gold can also go down here. Looks like it might want to take out that 34. Yeah, not in Nasdaq. I was watching gold as well on my other screen, and definitely I see we have lows at 30. What's the low here? 35-ish. Should be breaking that level. Seems like it wants to. NQ is breaking that swing low in the 1 minute. Wow, look at that. And it seems like, hold on. Yeah, NQ is holding. Oh man. No clean direction. NQ again, looking to go higher. Maybe not. Just sideways around the VWAP. I hope I don't have any ghost orders around. No, I don't. All right. NQ seems like might want to try once again. Okay, look at that. Might want to go to the 60s. Let's go. Should be taking out the 60s. The high of that wick. Was that the news? Yeah, it was the news. It's not doing it. Oh well. Vincent Vega. Van 90%. Csak egy pillanat. Option 1. Option 1 account. Tom Szabó 1 a kód. Az Option 1-ra. A $250,000 pedig Tom 250, de ott nem tudom mennyi az aktivációs díj. A lényeg, hogy Tom Szabó 1. Csak az Option 1 számlákra kapod meg. Csak arra. Option 2-re nem adják a 90%-ot most. So Option 1 accounts only on BULENOX. Option 2s are more expensive. Let me check. Yeah, Option 2s only have 45% with the code Tom Sabo 2. Tom Sabo 1 should be good for 90% on Option 1 only. Yeah. Bemegy a dashboardra és ott van egy rubrika a account sign up-nál. És akkor így lépegetni kell ide-oda, megadja. Alright. Let's see what's happening on the lower time frame. Still bullish. Still bullish, still bullish. Should be going to the 60s. But it's having a hard time crossing up here. So I'm not going to enter. Persze, igen. Regisztrálsz, és akkor a belső oldalon account sign up-nál lesz egy rubrika, hogy discount code. És oda. Akkor működik, igen. Akkor működik. Param, pam, 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 param. Should be going to 76. Not even this wick. It should be taking out the 76. I just wonder how long it will take for it to, I mean, reprice the low levels. Maybe then try to go for at least 64. Or it's just gonna fall from here. Seems like it could. We are a sloper resistance. Watch for rejection and drop. Could be dropping, right? Yeah, I'm watching it as well. I'm especially looking at 603. It's definitely not clear. Question is if it wants to take out those 60s first, or we're just gonna stay in this range on that news candle. Because if that's the case, then you know, this one could be dropping like crazy. Especially like 603. Oh yeah, definitely. Looks weak now. Ready to drop, actually, but could be taking out that swing low at 602 as well. No, I don't have Superdome. No, I don't. Someone was suggesting me to use it, but I don't even know how to use it properly. But so I have absolutely no idea how to go with that. I mean, obviously, I know what it says, I mean, but there are different techniques to use the dome, and some say you have to go for very few ticks, not even points. Only for a few ticks. Don't know what's happening here. Looks like it wants to take out the 604 or the 600 maybe. Hard to determine here. Question is how far it wants to dump or drop, or it just shoots up like crazy from here. You only trade for Superdome. That's awesome. I know a lot of people use it. I just don't. I never used it, so I still don't know how to utilize it. But it's definitely a useful tool, I admit, because people are making good money with it. But I don't know how to use it properly. Or what are the tricks and techniques to use it. Okay. Not much is moving. Still in the inside range. On the 5 minute there is a swing here at the VWAP. Not sure if it wants to retest it or not. So far it wants to go higher. Could be pushing it. Not sure. But it could also be dropping. I don't know. It's gonna bounce here. Let's see. I was curious for that 5 minute long wick down there. I don't know. Could be a little fight here, just as yesterday. Nobody really knows. Flag shape, sloping, resistance and support. It can do anything. Exactly, just what I meant to say. It can do anything, guys. It's at this point. Look at the 1 minute too. It's like it's absolutely a coin flip right now. It's absolutely a coin flip. And the silver bullet hour is gonna end soon as well, which doesn't really mean anything, but really at this area it's a coin flip. What's happening on gold? Gold is going sideways too. Okay. Coin flip it is. Zooming out the 5 minute, there is this swing low as structure The low is 602. We just don't know where it wants to go. Might go down there. Look at that. You can never know. It could be a good support area here. Drop incoming. Well, I think this was the drop, right? I'm not expecting more drop than this. Actually, it could be shooting higher from here. Pretty much formed the resistance, although we have this 602 level shaping a support area. Not sure. Yeah. Already had happened. Yeah. I don't know. It's again, that 602 level is interesting. I don't know if it really wants to take it out or not. Definitely an interesting point. But if it's gonna hold as support, then we should be or could be going for those Asia highs and finally getting out from this area here. Seems like it's going for internal liquidity, but there's nothing. The only thing we have is that 602. So either it takes it out or just, you know, from here a sharp pump to the upside, one of those two. Don't know. Don't know if I like it or not. What is happening here? Morning, Wetmild. Daniel, hey. What's up, guys? How was the morning session so far? Yeah. Zoltan. Morning. Hey, Adjishtan. Good to see you guys. What's up with you, Zoltan? The trading world? Well, look at the. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, as you guys can see, and this is just horrendous. So. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. So what has happened? Still going sideways. What a surprise. At least we took out the 602. That was expected, I guess. So what now? Asia high is still up there. I'm gonna actually mark this as Asia high. On the top to the right. Let's see. Hope you guys killing it. My god, this is so bad. It's looking terrible. Look at this chart. Absolutely untradeable. This is madness. Or Sparta. Who knows? 1500. Come on. Come on, man. You're gonna stop at 18. No, you won't. No, you won't. You're not stopping at 1800. And we all know that. That's an awesome profit for the day. It's not untradeable. Yeah. I thought you were gonna say that. Yes, but you're looking at those time frames, so I believe. I don't need proof. I know you can do it. It's like, I don't know how you do it, but you are skinning this cat like crazy. This is awesome. 30% of the target. Nice. Only allows. It's still enough. You know, at least you know where to stop. 6K target, yeah. 1800 bucks. There you go. All right. Maybe I should be trading with Blue Sky too. All right. Still in this range. It's hard to say where it can go now. I could not say. The 1 minute is nothing like some Korean fried chicken in the morning. Oh yeah. That could be awesome. Some good fried chicken. What a session. I don't know. Hard to say what to do. I have no idea where this thing could be going from here, but we could be seeing 1800. You're going at the gym. Congratulations. What a nice job. Let me give you an applause, everyone. Gabor is just, you know, printing money and goes to the gym. That's how you do it. Love you too. Have a good one. And that's how to do it. Take their money. That's how you do it. Nice job. Oh, man. Gold is making blood. It's a killer. What is going on gold? Wow. Interesting here. Look at that. It's going. It's going all right. Yeah, you're not lucky. You know what to do, Marcus Trader. You definitely know how to handle it. So I guess you know what you're doing. Where could this go? Come on. Since NQ is stuck in this range, I wonder if sooner or later it might try to break out from this. Caesar, Tom, I would suggest looking at ADD, Wix, and gamma exposure levels, QQQ, SVX, SPY, and the tick confluence, market net flow, along with price action. Lots to unbox there, but hope it helps. Oh, thank you, Caesar. Yeah, I know there are a few things to look in Confluence. Hello, Teacher FX. Hey there. I caught a winner earlier before the stream, so I had a nice winner. That was a good one. Otherwise, I'm still waiting. But again, thanks, Caesar. I know those are helpful tools. By the way, guys, if you can help me out, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's push it. And there's also going to be a giveaway next week. You can sign up at the giveaway form up there. If you fill out your email, a name, and also you can collect some points by just doing some simple tasks. Check YM. There you go. Beautiful. Structure shift, 5 minute. Looks good for a potential short, not gonna lie. YM looks very good for a potential short, if that's what you meant. If I put my just at golden entry, you know, going short here, I can go. It can go. All right. Yeah. 662. Yeah, I like that level. But we're just stuck in this area for now. If I switch to the 5-minute, it's still a barcode chart. I do favor the upside. ES also stuck here, although it made a structure shift on the 5-minute, so could be falling down again. It's very tricky. Actually, if you look at ES, it's almost like at a perfect short opportunity. Almost. How about that? You're in long. Okay. Well, I'm flat for now. I'm waiting for some confirmation or anything. I think ES is falling. Yeah, told you. No. Okay. Yeah, 20 points down. Can it go? Who knows? ES long in 15 minutes, though, too. Yeah, it looks like it might want to go. It might just want to go. But how much? On the 5-minute, there's clearly no direction yet. On NQ, yes, looks like it might want to go lower, utilizing this gap here. So that's also interesting. Maybe it will drag down NQ if it goes down, but no idea. No idea. NQ looks bullish. Yes. Using this 5-minute gap maybe to go lower. Very nice sell side at 52.62. I don't think it's gonna go there, but it looks beautiful for a sell, in my opinion. Looks absolutely great for a sell, at least to the 52.60 level. It would be, I mean, it looks amazing. If anything, I would be bearish on ES. Gun to my head, it looks like bearish. That's why I was looking at the 5-minute that much. 73 level is also beautiful. Damn, I feel the FOMO. Now I feel the FOMO entering here at 84. Damn it. I rarely enter on ES, but this was something I really liked. Relative equal lows at NQ. There is no gun on your head. Yeah, I know. I know. But I can get one, you know. I can get. It's really hard to determine what's gonna happen now. So, until we wait, just to let you guys know, BULENOX also extended the sale until next Tuesday. What a surprise! 90% off lifetime, just as Apex, and you know, the usual. Get your codes, get your accounts. That's how to do it. Also, there's a giveaway. Don't forget to fill out the form in the pin message. 50k evaluation account. All right, looks bearish. Check CL for shorts. Yeah, looks good. This really looks good. Looks good for a short on the 1-minute crude. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Target 73. Now I just feel like I missed the move on NQ. there is some kind of a support here. Price has a hard thing to pass through at 568, 567 actually. All right, there you go. 5 minute could be shifting. All right. Or could be just internal liquidity. Oh man, I feel super FOMO. Should have entered on that area. My stop would have been here. 1-to-1 would have been reached by now. 2-to-1 is still okay down there. Man, I missed that. All right, are we going for 68? Seems like we are. The problem with this level is price can bounce up any second. There is no fair value gap on the 1 minute. Let me see if I have a 30-second chart here. Should be going down anyway. But if this is a range, it can just go back up to, yeah, so it can go back to 604 super easy. This is actually a bearish order block, so it can go back to 604. I'm not in anything. I'm flat. I have no positions. No positions. I made today the account that you see right here is just an evaluation account. On my one of the funded accounts with Apex, I made 150 bucks, and on a Buley, the other one, I made about 80 bucks. 82. So that's all I did today. So far in profit, but that's all. At least made some money on the fundeds, but I'm not in anything right now. All right. Should be taking out that swing low. It's not far. But if it goes back up, well, still anything can happen. Let's wait and see. That's some money on my personal account. Nice. In the morning, afternoon was win because I don't lose. That's how to do it. You were out. You were out. Good. Nice, nice. Well, since we're still inside this box, hard to determine what can happen from here, but from what I see, we could be just ranging still until the end of even the lunch hour, so in the next 1 or 2 hours. Could be going back up to the 604s. Which would not surprise me at all. Okay, this 5-minute candle closing. Indecision, that's for sure, in the market. 5-minute candle closed. Might start to go up for liquidity. Yep. All the way to, yeah, 604 could be the case. There's a gap here, there's another one, so it could go back to the order block. Then make many money is nice. London already closed and the market don't change. Yeah, gold makes some noise. Yeah, the other ones are BS. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's not ideal. That's why I'm also waiting for this one. If it wants to take out internal liquidity, maybe go back to the order block. If not, then, well, could be breaking the 68 finally. Could be. feels weak now. So, I don't know. Is it bound to go up and then sweep some liquidity or not? High of this candle is 604.25. I don't know. Wow, what just happened? This was interesting for sure. Swept a little bit of liquidity. I don't know if it's still going to be enough. There was actually 2 gaps. Thank you, Marcus Trader. Thanks for being here. Head to the beach. Have an awesome day. Don't give the signal. I don't have the signal yet. I don't have the signal. There's nothing. I wish I could see something here, but we're still just hanging here in this fair value gap that's actually swept a little bit liquidity. It might not go higher into this one. There was actually 2 fair value gaps. One right there that was taken below here. I don't know if it wants to take the higher fair value gap before it drops or it's just going to burst through. We are inside this order block, that's for sure. So is it going to go for that higher one? I don't know. Cheers. Thanks for being here, Marcus Trader. We're below the 600, so that's bearish. I don't know, guys. I don't know. No signal yet. Nothing is moving as it should. Internal range. Damn, the sun is shining like crazy. I have to pull the shaders. Much better. All right, we went into that gap. Went into that gap. Is this the place where this one can fall finally? Who knows? Could be. missed my entry, damn it. Okay, it looks like a short to me. I like this one to go down all the way to at least 540. I'm in a short, by the way. 542, late entry. 542. Very late entry on my end. Not exactly the way I imagined it, but I went out to pull the shaders and it spiked up to the point where I potentially wanted to enter. But this for me is a good short setup here. So yeah, this is my trade for now. Doesn't look good. Late entry, anyway. A little bit late. It can also continue to go sideways from here. Okay, going back into that 5-minute gap again. Let me put a box here. All right, let's wait. Push the like button and subscribe if you would like to support the stream. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to sign up for the giveaway. All right, it's still going up. This should have been the the optimal entry right here. Okay, poked into the gap. Ideal entry that I missed. I'm not going to add to it at this point. If it respects this gap, should be okay. Hey there, I thought that you're already out there enjoying life, Gabor. Oh man. Late entry. You know, it went up, then started to go down, entered late, and now it's back up there. That's typical Murphy Law on my end. Anyway, my targets are still there, so you're working out. Sorry. Yeah. Man, I have to do some workouts too. It's just mandatory. I have to. There's no way around it. Oh, you have a gym and you're still... Oh, man. You are living the life. You live the life, man. You live the life. What a market. I don't like, by the way, this whole thing. It went up to the gap. I was expecting a sharp drop. It's not doing it yet, so what the hell is going on? I missed the move on ES. I'm not proud of what I did today. So I'm living in a dream. I made it come true. And you know what? That is so awesome, actually, to hear that. That is awesome. That is actually awesome to hear. You know, once upon a time, you should, tell me your life story. And I will listen. Because it's awesome. That's the life there. I mean, I know people, I know you still have to work, I guess. You have to do your job, your things, whatever. But still. That is awesome. William, hey. Please, you can share how you can receive your payout if you are live in Europe, or live in Europe. So because I live also and I don't know how to receive the payout from Apex. Yeah, sure. You have to register through Plane. So if you are allowed to take payouts, then they're going to ask you to register at Plane. Plane.com is like a third-party payment provider. Like it was Deal back in the days. They were using Deal. And it's also like RiseWorks at MyFundedFutures. So it's an online payment provider, Plane.com. And if you go to Plane.com, then you have to register. Apex is giving you a link, I think, or something like that. I don't know. I don't remember how. But when you register to Plane, then you just have to add your Plane user ID or something, and they are going to send the contract through Plane. And in Plane, you will add your international bank account, so IBAN format. That's it. And Plane is going to handle the wire for you. So when Apex sends the money to Plane will automatically send it forward to your bank account. So that's how they do it. Third-party online payment provider. Oh, let me check. Third-party online payment provider. Plane.com. Oh, wow. That is cool, man. That is awesome. You have everything you need there. All the stuff you need, you have it. You can do everything there, I guess. These machines and everything, the weights, as much as I see it, these are good for all the exercise you need, I think. It's perfect if you don't want to go to the big gym. It's perfect for home. Perfect. This is awesome. Awesome. Yeah, no problem, William. No problem. So again, if you are eligible for a payout, they are also going to send you an email how to set up a Plane, and then you will have to connect by just adding your Plane user ID or something. You signed the contract or what? I don't even know. I don't remember. It was quite a few months ago, but it's very simple. It's very simple. Oh, look at that. It doesn't want to fall. It doesn't want to fall through. For a brief moment, I thought that it could be happening. The dreams can come true, but it's not. Look at this. Look at this mother tucker. It's going higher. Thank you, William. Thank you. Did you trade more than PA accounts or trade? I traded more PA accounts, but unfortunately, I blew up a few. But yeah, I did. I did. Oh man, I really thought that we were gonna drop. Oh, thank you, William. Good luck to you too with your trades and everything. Oh, where is my... Oh, here it is. Let's see what's going on. Let's listen to some beautiful music. You know, I love the saxophone, but this is just beautiful. Oh man. The waiting game. Come on, fall down. Finally. Oh, come on, just fall down. You're short too? All right. Well, it's one of those days, one of those sessions. What can we do, right? Anyway, until we wait, just push the like, subscribe to the channel. We're collecting subscribers, you know. Also, if you want to participate in the giveaway, there's a link in the pin message. Subscribe, collect some points. The winner will be picked in live stream. If you're not here, don't worry. If you win, you will get an email. Also, if you'd like to support, use one of these codes to support the stream. 90% sale is extended on BULENOX and Apex for next Tuesday. So let's go. And also, MyFundedFutures 20% off from the expert account. And let me just say something really crazy about the expert accounts, okay? This is gonna be really crazy. Check this out. No consistency rule, no payout cap, no restrictions. I mean, I'll talk about that. No activation fee, no daily drawdown limit, no scaling of contracts, end of day trailing. So basically everything you want. And about the restrictions, you can add to your losers, but only if this DCA strategy is not your sole strategy. But you can add to your losing trades if DCAing is not your sole strategy. That's it. Check out the code, link, and everything. Good news today, received my funded account from Take Profit Trader. Congratulations, Ref. That is awesome. That is awesome. You know, Take Profit Trader, I think it's gonna be, I mean, it's coming up to the competition because most likely about their payouts, and the activation fee is included in the price. So go check it out. TOPSTEP has removed my country phone. Oh, really? That is awesome, Ref. Which country is that? I know you might have told it already. Was it South Africa? I don't know. Sorry, Ref. I forgot which country was that. But hey, awesome. Was it Philippines? I don't know. I'm really sorry. I don't, so many people, thank God, from all over the world heard here. Giveaway requirement, nothing extra. It's going to be a cash prize, Bernard. The only thing I don't really want to do is crypto. So it's going to be a cash prize, no requirement. You can live anywhere in the world. It's going to be a cash prize, so you can afford a TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures. So it's going to be about $50 at least, or more. We'll see. The way I'm going to do it is direct debit card transfer. It's instant, so it's going to be instantly on your card. That's one way I can do it. So if you have a debit card, that's good. Instant debit card deposit, or PayPal. I can do PayPal. And I can do international bank wire transfer. These are the three ones. And you can do anything you want with the cash prize. If you want to buy something else, it's up to you. You don't have to buy evaluation account on it. It's going to be a cash prize. It's not a sponsored giveaway. I'm doing this on my own. So, and since I don't have the back end to give you codes, I can only give you a cash prize. So whatever you want to do with it. Botswana. Wow. Congratulations, Ref. Well, you should get the hang of it. Bernard, you're welcome. TOPSTEP is great, so I'm happy for you. That's awesome. That's awesome, Ref. Also for the new funded account and for TOPSTEP. All right. Push the like, subscribe, stay tuned. More giveaways and fun. Let's do it. This is gonna go, nobody knows. Okay, it's still going. We're still in it to win it. I hope Panda removes my country from... Well, hopefully they will. Hopefully they will. I'm still surprised that Slovenia and Croatia and Romania is on the list, by the way. Those are well-established EU countries. So I don't know why are they on the list. But anyway. Oh no, look at this. Now it's going back up there. Oh, such a shame. Maybe I could take off one contract to lower my risk. But that's no fun. That's not fun. So I'm gonna stay with this. Man, it's the waiting game and it's super boring. The 5 minutes still looks very ugly. Sorry. Let's see what else is here. Spy Girl, hey there. Yeah, I had a good trade in pre-New York session off stream. It was this one. It was a nice trade, and this one, which I'm in right now on this short, it was actually it's a late entry on my end. I should have entered up there at 604, but when it started to drop, anyway, I entered down here. Should have entered at least above 600, somewhere around here. So anyway, looking for this drop. Trade only. What is your target on the short? My target is 542 on the 5 minute, but overall I see this swing low at 511 as a very good target. This is a very, very, very good target. So I should go trade it at your spaceship. That's what you're saying. Okay. Oh, I see the picture. Okay. Okay. Wow. You have a complete studio there. Yeah. Jesus holy Christ. That's like a trading sanctuary. You want some goulash? I want some goulash too. This is a trading sanctuary. You have everything there that you need. You can make music while you trade. You can do everything. Nice. That is awesome. I'm starting to lose hope for this short. I'm even considering to close it. Maybe not. Not yet. So anyway, my final target would be 512. I'm also thinking to take one off here. So I'm gonna modify this and, you know, leave a runner to the downside here at 514. That could be also a thing to do. If this would finally drop. And that can take up all the way up until market close. Both sides hope is lost. Lots of shenanigans, yeah. I mean, this is the 5 minute. I mean, one would say, okay, this could be the 1 minute. No, this is the 5 minute, guys. Look at it. It's awful. It looks terrible. Terrible the way it looks like right now. Absolutely terrible. This time frame is terrible right now. All these doji candles, total indecision in the market. Nobody knows what to do. So Anyway. What we knew today was going to be a day of consolidation just from yesterday. Yeah, exactly. That's a good point. But after yesterday, this one could be expected to happen. Still bearish with lots of bullish divergence. Yeah. They are burning the option premiums because the data is working the favor of market makers. We break the 90 and we can hit above 600. Yes, exactly. Look at this. We're breaking the 90. Should be going above 600 after this one. I'm actually considering to close this trade because most likely it's going to go back to the gap at 607. And I don't like the way it looks like. Yeah, that's true. And as you said, divergence on many indicators as well. Bullish divergence. So yep. It should be going back to the gap up there. This gap. I don't like this. I might going to close it. 607. Yep. Closing it. I closed it, guys, because very high chance that we're gonna go back to those highs at this point, and it's just no point of holding it. It's unfortunate, but we're breaking higher. Maybe, but you know, we still have that gap up there. It's very close as a level of liquidity. Anyway. It was a close one, close call. But feels like it's gonna go for internal liquidity. So maybe if it goes back up there into that gap, maybe I will look to do something. But just maybe. Look at that. It wants to go back there. And it went up there. The good news is I scalped it in hindsight without you guys. Target is VWAP going up. Yeah, so what I did, guys, is I actually scalped it. I didn't show you guys because I was nervous. But if you guys want to see it, this is what I did. There you go. Size small. This is it. Oh, you guys don't see it here. This is not it. Okay, here. I scalped it with 6 micros. So I took off 1 here. And then, I mean 3 here and another 3 here. So I managed to make some profit. So this is a funded account. Let me show you. This is it. Yeah, made on a funded. So made it back to the gap. This was discretionary trading, which I don't really like. This trade was technically, you know, based on gut feeling, which I don't know. It builds up bad habits as well. But as soon as I saw the price action, I mean the way the candles were printing on the 1 minute and the 30-second on my left screen, I knew that it wants to go back to the 5-minute gap. So I closed down the short and I jumped into a scalp with 6 micros. Oh, yeah, you hit the max, yeah. No, but you did well, Gabor, you did well. You absolutely did well. And yeah, no YOLO trades. This was no YOLO, by the way. Hello, Teacher FX. This was no YOLO. I had a strict stop loss there, which was actually 1-to-1. So I was risking like $100 or something on this trade, on the funded. And it came through, so I made an extra 100. So 6 micros. I did the calculation with a split second. With a split second. But anyway, I mean in a split second. I would say we could continue higher. It was also a little bit dangerous. But again, after this sharp move, as it started to go higher and started to consolidate, it was definitely looked like it should go higher. That is why sometimes I think it's important to see how the candles are printing, and TradingView is not good in that one. Let me delete the these. Okay, so TradingView is not so good on that one because it's lagging. But for example, in Quantower or NinjaTrader or TradeAwait, you can see for the millisecond how the candles are printing, how fast they are, you know, coming out, and you know how they move. And as soon as this move started, you know, anyway, took liquidity from that gap again. Is it gonna go down again? I don't know. No idea. Could be good for another short, I guess. I guess so. We can pick up another short, but I'm not going to pick up a short on this one because I made $150, and for me that is absolutely fine. Sound the horn. Yeah. But anyway, we're in the lunch hour, right? Yeah, we are. It still looks like it wants to drop on the 5-minute. I mean, look at this gap. Almost like a perfect short entry. What is ES doing? Look at this. ES was a perfect sell earlier. Retraced back up. Alright, it's going back again. Where can it go? Let me go back to NQ. This is a bearish order block, so I can see that this one is breaking 24. You know, guys, what I always say and what I think. I think order blocks are always breaking. And this is an order block. So I see 24 as an absolute target up there, which I'm not going to take. But this is an order block, which failed. This mitigated this one, went down, failed, and now it's going up again to 24 to take out the order block. How about that as a theory? It's going sideways, building up some momentum, and then goes for 24. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna go for 24. There you go. Come on. I know. It's interesting move, that's for sure. I'm not in anything. I'm flat. I have no orders, but interesting moves. I know 5 because it's not a fractional number for trading. Try 3 minutes and 7 for a change. All right, I'll try that. Actually, not a bad idea. But for a second, look at this. 5 minute structure shift. Is it gonna take out 24? I'm just curious. Who knows, right? It repriced this gap here, pushed higher, still in the 5 minute range, but which side is gonna win? Almost like equal chances for the bulls and the bears. This was a market structure shift, obviously. Order block high is at 24, sorry. I'm looking at the body of the candle, 24.50. So I'm getting a payout. Right now I have 641 on this funded account. On the BULENOX I have a 900 profit. The other one also has a 900 profit. And I have a fourth one on Apex which has 0. I haven't touched it. So overall I'm very slow right now. But I'm moving like very slowly, like $100, $200 maximum. Look at this, going for the 24. I want to say I told you so. I want to say I told you so. 20. I'm not in any trade. I'm going to show you. I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm not trading this, but 24. It has to break the order block. It just has to. Yep. Yep. Has to break the order block. There's no other way around it. I do like this fast displacement and then fast reprice. Should be going to 24. Yes, that's true too. London low is down at 512. So first off, I want to see 24. That's true. That is absolutely true. So this is actually, of course, a decision point for the market. $10 points away from 24. I told you guys. I want to say I told you. No, I don't want to. I don't care. But it was close. Okay, now it repriced the gap. What's gonna happen now? The body is at 24. It's like 13 points, 14 points away. There you go. Come on. Come on. No. It's not going. And of course, if some of you guys are short, you're still valid here because your stop should be about 40. And look at that. 24 is incoming. $24 is incoming. Let's see. Are we gonna have 24? I'm watching my other screen. 24. Are we going to have it? No, maybe not. The bodies tell the story. The wicks do the damage. Let's see. Okay. There you go, 24. I told you so. I told you. I was right. So we're breaking the order block. Breaking the order block. I love trading, guys. I just love, I even if I don't do anything, you know, just watching the chart. And that's the beauty of it. I'm not even trading this, and I'm just watching the chart and, you know, trying to figure out where this shit wants to go. I like it. I really like it. It's fun, actually. When there is movement, you know, not in this one. This is like this here. This is cat shit, you know, wrapped into dog shit. This here, but this I like. This one was a good one, and this one too. So Asia high, yeah. Let's check it out. Asia high 676. Look at that. Finally, I think we might be having a direction. And now I also feel the FOMO again, because look at this. 5-minute structure shift happened. Sorry. Let me delete this. 5-minute structure shift, market structure shift there. FOMO is real. Visual order. Okay, it's in front. Okay. So market structure shift happened here on the 5-minute displacement. Beautiful repricing on the third candle. Beautiful. That's textbook repricing. And boom, going up. So the only way it could go, if it really wants to go, is Asia high 676 could be the target. You're right, Ruff. So only thing that's missing from being an A+++ setup is that the liquidity sweep was not too strong. So it only swept this low. I thought that we're gonna sweep this low as well, but it didn't. But it should be going higher. It should be, or this is the news candle at 10 a.m. We're gonna stay in this range. That can also happen. All right. All right, all right. This could be the move that we were waiting for. So, push the like and subscribe to the channel. We're doing some giveaways as well. Oh, it got really dark outside. The sun just went away. And I have the shaders on. Dude, maybe there's a storm coming or end of day, whatever. All right. Okay. Can still go higher. Yeah, it looks like we're going for Asia high. Or at least to take out the 64. Yeah, look at that. I think it's gonna go. Could be taking out the 64. Not sure. Let's watch it together. It can also come back to the range from here. Let's see. And I'm in a 2 micro short. All right, let's hope you good luck with it. And I think you can make it because it can return back to the range just now. There you go. So you should be okay with that. Also, 5-minute liquidity is down at 36. So it's very close to take out that 36 level down there. I think that 36 should be taken out. I mean, what's the low of this candle? The low of this candle is 35.75. You know, if it wants to go and take out some liquidity, it should be taking it. Otherwise, and there you go, it took it. So I think your short is all right. Your short is all right. Kojak, hey. We should take short. Well, since it got back to that fair value gap, I would be cautious with the shorts. So be careful. That's what I'm saying. Be careful with the shorts. Otherwise, it's looking good. Okay. And I think you should be doing well. If you're short, you could be at break even. Of course, I don't know your strategy, but we can still go down to like the mid level at 25-ish somewhere. What else? There you go. 27, 29. Yeah. There you go. So repricing the 5-minute. If I look at the 15, I look at that drop. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And now I'm starting to feel like it could be a break to the downside again. Back to the range. Back to the range, guys. Be careful. The shorts played out nicely. Yeah, dropped like from here, 44, a fast 30 points. Need to go 86. What? 1860. Oh, 600. Sorry. Well, it can go. It has every chance to go to 600. 601 is also. We have the VWAP. If it can break the VWAP again, we're just gonna fall through here, even down to 592. I think it was to mitigate the fair value gaps below. Maybe. Maybe. If I look at the 5-minute, I mean, it did reprice. The 3-minute looks like also a very good area to take a long, but again, this was a sharp drop. So pretty much the whole New York session was going sideways. So it's going for internal liquidity. And I'm just saying that because we still have a chance to drop down to 600. Don't forget to fill out your giveaway form. If you haven't already, it's in the pinned message if you guys are interested. 50K evaluation account. So the 5-minute looks interesting. The 1-minute looks like, look at this. Oh my god, the 1-minute looks like it's just gonna burst through 608, like boom. And goes down to 592. The VWAP, look at the VWAP, almost like a perfect target to the shorts. Anyway, I'm not in anything. If I look at the 5-minute entries here, I mean, this was a good entry. Could have ended up in a loss. I hope I'm right. I hope I'm right. Well, it's just a theory, but again, we're in this range still. We're still in the between 568 and 664. So internal liquidity can still be in play all the way until the end of the day. So we can just, if that's the case, it should be breaking lower. The low-hanging fruit for market would be down there below 608. Especially because we're using the internal liquidity. So that would be the low-hanging fruit. Yeah, today I only got TP. And actually I did scalp in hindsight on my BULENOX account. On this one I made, this is a funded account. Actually, I can show you the rest. So what I did. So this is one BULENOX account funded today, $130, which is enough for me. Another BULENOX funded today. I made only like $82 on this one. And one of my Apex funded accounts, I made, how much is this? $150. And the rest of the funded accounts, I didn't do anything. My TOPSTEP account is still untouched today. So these are the ones that I traded. And also on the evaluation account, which is an Apex evaluation account, I did like, I don't know, 210 or something, $20. But that's it. And none of these accounts were copy traded. Every trade were made separately, which is a good thing. All right. Look at the 1 minute. It still looks extremely bearish, like at this second, at this moment. The VWAP is down there. This long wick candle at 12.53 looks like it wants to drop. I don't know. The one that has end of day trailing drawdown is MyFundedFutures and TOPSTEP. And if you ask me which one is better, I'd say MyFundedFutures is better. But I also like TOPSTEP. They are great too. But also BULENOX has option 2 accounts, which are end of day trailing drawdown, but it's a little bit more expensive, not too much. But the option 2 accounts are end of day trading stops at BULENOX. Apex does not have that feature, but I don't care about that because, as you see, I'm going small steps, so I don't care about the end of day. It's going to lock in at the safety threshold anyway. So after that point, it's basically a static account. So I absolutely don't care about intraday trailing stop because I trade small size. And BULENOX is great, absolutely. I'm surprised that they are, you know, keeping up with everything. And I'm not surprised. It's actually a good thing. That's why I trade with them. And hopefully they will keep up in the future. But my favorite, and I was trying so hard, is MyFundedFutures. I blew up 2 funded accounts and I didn't get the payouts. Didn't get the payout. I don't know. It put me into an extra pressure, and I blew it. I blew the funded accounts with MyFundedFutures. I'm already doing new evaluations with them. But I feel so embarrassed, and because I wanted to do such well with them, because I think the conditions are extremely good with MyFundedFutures. Hopefully, I can get to the funded level real soon. Look at that, People Malone. Hey there, hello. No, he's not scammy. He's not scammy. I know it sounds weird from me, but as far as I heard him speak about MyFundedFutures and the future of the company, I understand how he means some certain things, and I understand his viewing point as a CEO. Tom, I have my funded account of okay, but the bad thing is that I have to make 6,600, Bernard. That's the catch. So that's why I was saying, guys, is it easier to make $3,000 by using 2,500? I mean, anyway, is it easier to make $3,000 or $6,000 to get a payout on a funded account? I think it's easier to make $3,000 to get a payout. Nevertheless, if you get to $6,000, you'll be rewarded with $3,000 payout. If $6,600, you can get $3,000 as a payout, which is a great reward for your efforts. So don't feel bad about it. It's a great deal. But for me, I take the 1,000. I'm happy with the 1,000 for one payout. I'm okay with that. Look at that. It should take out the VWAP. Come on. I'm not in a trade. Honestly, I'm not in trade. All right, guys. I love to be here for more, but I have some stuff to do, and I made my profit for the day on the funded accounts. I'm up overall like 300 or more than 350 bucks for today. So I'm very happy. I'm up in an evaluation account, so I made everything that I wanted today on the funded level. So I'll be back tomorrow in London. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. It was a great day. And if you would like to support, please subscribe, use my codes and links if you would like to trade futures. I'm not gonna blow up. And really, it was a great one. So thank you, everybody. Slow steps, exactly, Jacques, exactly. I'm definitely going to take slow steps. So see you guys tomorrow. You guys are awesome. Anna, I hope that your trade works out well. I think it should be dropping. Gabor Dehan, thank you for all the input and everything. It was a slow AM session, but I have some stuff to do, and I made my profits. So I'm okay. Guys, see you tomorrow. Have an awesome evening or morning or night, whatever. Ciao, everyone.